currently we are fighting this huge pandemic right now, this coronavirus. Okay, so the thing that has got most affected right now is education. Fine, all the schools, the colleges, they have shifted to online mode, right? Now we are getting this online teaching or teaching online, that has been on the trend right now. First of all, we need to understand that this is a pandemic situation. Okay, this is not a favorable situation for us. Okay, so online teaching is only an alternative. Okay, and it is for a very, very, very limited period only. But currently, since this online teaching has come into the trend, most of the schools and colleges, okay, they have adopted this method of teaching so that they can connect with their students, okay, so that the mindset of the students, okay, that do not get deviated from the right path. So this is a process that most of the schools or colleges, they have adopted. But now it has many aspects, right? There have been some thing like some outcomes of it, like many people have been making this point that this online teaching has exposed a lot of things, like the quality of the teachers, okay, the quality of teaching, pronunciation of teachers, the behavior, the dealings, okay, the feeling of warmth, okay, that has completely vanished from the industry or this education part. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, since we are also an online platform and we do courses, okay, even after completing 100+ videos, okay, we still feel nervous at times when we keep on or we tend to start a new video. Okay, so teaching online in the presence of a camera, okay, it it definitely it matters. Okay, it will affect you, it will affect the normal person. Okay, you cannot find a teacher as fluent, or as likely himself or herself that he or she behaves in the class, okay, is likely to behave on this online platform. Fine. So yes, obviously this is one part, but then again, there are many different things that we also get to know from it. Okay, the feeling of warmth, like many parents have been complaining, like I have also my kid who is studying right now at school. Okay, and I'm also following it, like I'm a true follower of how a child studies. Okay, so what I find is, just put your feet into that shoe first of all. Okay, as a parent, just think, okay, is it possible, try to teach your kid, for a 2 hours, for say 1 hour. Okay, ultimately, at some point of time, your voice will also grow up. The warmth that you give to your child, okay, in other times you cannot afford that, because many times, since children are always fickle, okay, so they tend to disconnect. At that point of time, your voice goes up, sometimes the warmth that also goes down. But then you cannot account your teacher that they are always like that, since they have been handling your children for such a long period of time, and that's how it goes. Okay, but to judge a teacher on this part, okay, is it completely rational? That question lies to us. But then again, we have to understand, okay, now there has been studies that the efficacy ratio of online teaching is actually 10% or less. Okay, means if the efficacy ratio is 100%, okay, in a live teaching or in a school or in a college, okay, that you deliver live right in front of the students, in comparison to that, the online teaching is only 10%. Now the reason is the reason only lies or confines around the teacher? Now there are many pros and cons in the online teaching. Okay, and this is just an alternative. So what are those aspects? You also need to find that. Okay, just think, online teaching. The first, let us come to the positives. Okay, you can choose your own time frame. Fine, when to teach, what to do. The students, the students who usually get left out. in the class. Okay, they do not interact or they do not participate. Okay, just because that particular atmosphere to them, okay, is a little bit, detaching. Okay, so once when they get to study online in their own environment, okay, so the participation from those students, okay, that improves, that has improved. Actually, some case studies also say this, that has improved. Okay, so that is one part. Then again, you have your own time frame. Okay, you can give focus to everybody since this is an online platform. Okay, the forum is open almost like 24, if not 24 hours, 10 to 12 hours. Okay, you can put your questions through anytime. Okay, so this is one part, but there are many cons in it. Okay, the first thing is that whenever a student studies, okay, for this platform you need some electronic medium. Like, your child will only study on a laptop, on a computer, or on a mobile. That means an electronic screen that will directly affect your child eyes. Okay, we all know that, but then again we have to deal with it because this is the pandemic situation, right? Then there are some also other aspects, like a full, of online platform requires full dedication. Okay, since you are in your comfort zone, it is very much likely that, a child will get distracted in 5 or 10 minutes, and every class is of 30 to 40 minutes. So it is the parent responsibility to tame your child, to train your child, so that this limited period, okay, he or she focuses on the system that is going on. This will not last, but then again we have to deal with it. Okay, this is just an alternative that I have always said. Okay, so teaching online, there are many pros, many cons, but as a parent, we have to consider that a teacher is not 100% when this thing comes. Even we as technology, tech trainers, even after creating hundreds of videos, we also get nervous, and to many of them this is a transformation that they never expected. Okay, so it is the same teacher only, the same person only, but different environment. Simple. So it will also take time, they will also recoup up. You need to, I need to, we all need to stand with them. Okay, cooperate them, rather than, this is the time when we put our hands together rather than pulling each other, not by pushing each other. Okay, so as a parent, I feel we need to support the teachers. Okay, since they are also giving their best. It was only 6 to 8 or 10 hours job for them, but right now preparing for online classes, it also takes a lot. Okay, behind the scenes, each one of us know, because we are into our own jobs. We know how hectic it has become to operate, like from work from home or anything else. So my last appeal is that let's cooperate with them. Okay, so that at least our child learns something. Once this situation goes away, things become congenial, everything will get onto track, and by the time, the teachers will also have an experience to handle these online classes, and also to deliver their best. Fine, that was my point. Thank you again, guys. Thanks for your patience.